Hi, I'm Alan from Newlands Nursery and wanted to give you a quick tip about picking your chilli plants. You spent all the time nurturing them and growing them, and now they've fruited and you want to enjoy some of the fruits of labour. There are two main types of chilli plants with this. It's not technical or anything, but some that point up and some that point down. It's fairly obvious to see. So when you're picking them, I prefer not to cut them off with scissors or secateurs or something like that, but prefer to snap them off. And a quick, easy tip is if your chilli is pointing down, like this one is, we bend it up and snap it off. And it breaks off a nice clean break at the node there. And if it's pointing up, we snap it down. So literally, just bend down, probably hard to see on the camera, and it snaps off just like that. It's nice and simple, easy to do, but I prefer that than cutting them off because that can let disease in and stuff like that. And we've been doing it now for years and years and years and we've had no problems. So give it a go.